Alright, so I spent most of the last 2 days working on a new algorithm to run machine learning, basically. So it's going to have a confidence level, and hopefully, after obviously doing some testing, getting some samples going, be able to tell ferrous from non-ferrous, and every signal or everything that's saved, it'll learn from it. So added a little bar graph in there. Hopefully that'll work pretty good. You got auto track status, so it's going to give you a ground trend, whether it's rising slope. Once we get some tests done, and we'll have different soils, so you have mineralized, sand, salt, iron rich, etc. So let's see. That's the control, so you can turn auto track on and off in here. But so let's go back to the main screen. So we're just running a standard mode, 2000 pps. Threshold's all the way up right now because I don't have a pot connected. Sensitivity at 5, battery's 100%, ground balance is on auto, and then it'll give you a signal graph. Detection signal. So anyways, that's the new stuff added over the last 24 hours. So we'll see how everything works out.